Welcome to our channel where we unravel the magic behind your favorite foods. Today we focus on the sweet, crunchy delight that is popcorn. What's fascinating is that each popcorn kernel contains a tiny drop of water inside a circle of starch, which is why it pops. It's a culinary spectacle that takes place right in your kitchen. It's not just about the pop, though. It's about the transformation from a tiny kernel to a fluffy, sweet treat. Now, are you ready to learn how to make your very own sweet popcorn at home? First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. We'll need a half a cup of popcorn kernels, ensuring that every kernel will get its chance to pop. Next, we need 3 tablespoons of sugar to give our popcorn that sweet touch. We'll also need 2 tablespoons of oil to ensure our kernels pop efficiently. And finally, a pinch of salt for that perfect balance of flavor. This simple combination will work its magic in no time. Now that we have everything we need, it's time to start popping. Next, heat the oil in a large pot. Once it's hot enough, add the popcorn kernels. Now, let's dive into the details. The process begins with a generous amount of oil in a pot, enough to lightly cover the bottom. Turn the heat to medium-high and wait. Patience is key here. You'll know the oil is hot enough when it sizzles with a test kernel. That's your green light to add the rest of the popcorn kernels. The magic happens when the kernels start to dance, twirling and spinning in the heated oil. It's an enchanting sight, a sign that we're on the right track. But remember, safety first. Always cover the pot to prevent any rogue kernels from making an unplanned escape. As the heat works its magic, the kernels will begin to pop, creating a symphony of pops, a melody that sings the song of deliciousness on the way. Listen to that symphony of pops, but hold on, we're not done yet. Now, for the sweet finale, once the popping slows down, add the sugar and salt. This is where our popcorn transitions from the ordinary to the extraordinary. The sugar is the star of the show, providing that signature sweetness we all love. But don't forget the salt. It works in harmony with the sugar, enhancing its sweetness and adding a depth of flavor that takes our popcorn to new culinary heights. Now, don't just dump in the sugar and salt and hope for the best. This is a dance, a delicate ballet of flavors. You need to sprinkle them in gradually, all the while stirring your popcorn. This ensures an even coating, a perfect balance of sweet and salty in every single bite. Remember, patience is key here. Take your time, stir gently, and watch as your popcorn transforms before your eyes. Each kernel coated in a shimmering layer of sweet and salty goodness. And voila, you've just made your very own batch of sweet popcorn. But making popcorn is just half the fun. The real joy is in the eating. Now that you've created your own batch of homemade sweet popcorn, it's time to savor it. Picture this, a cozy movie night in, your favorite flick on the screen, and a bowl of warm, sweet popcorn nestled in your lap. Bliss, right? Or maybe it's snack time, your tummy's grumbling, and the sweet crunch of popcorn comes to the rescue. Don't forget about parties. Sweet popcorn is a crowd pleaser, the perfect blend of fun and flavor that gets the conversation flowing. You could even package it in cute little bags as a take-home treat. The possibilities are endless, and the joy of sharing the popcorn you've made with your own 2 hands is immeasurable. Thank you for joining us on this sweet popcorn journey. Remember, the best food is the one you make at home. Until next time, happy popping.